as you can see, amplifier is on the TV, and I can control volume with the TV remote controller. So when I push button, it changes the volume settings. So there is a connection between TV and amplifier, but there is no any kind of sound on the TV. So it not send the sound to the amplifier by using that audio return channel. But when I go to the TV menu, and there is settings, and on the settings, when I go to the sound menu, and on the sound menu there is more settings. There is TV loudspeakers, and when I push those loudspeakers on and then off, okay, then I turn again that amplifier on. It changed to the amplifier, and now we can hear the sound from the amplifier. This is a bug on the Philips TV software because I didn't change any I didn't make any kind of changes to the amplifier. I just changed to the EasyLink settings in the Philips TV. So that bug exists sometimes when you power on this TV, and it first connects automatically to the amplifier, but then sound disappears, and this is a way how you can get it back.